Hi friends, welcome. Last video we have covered circle command. In this video we will cover arc command. When you see there is a UCS. This one, if you happen with USM like this one, you can fix it here by UCS icon command. UCS icon and select the fourth option. See 1, 2, 3, fourth. No origin, so it will be fixed and it will be not disturb you. It will not disturb you anymore. So we come to here arc. When you see the arc, there is an option here more 3 points, start center end or center start angle, and here you can see it's much more here. So first we will start 3 point. If you have a line like this, okay, another one here, okay, you want the circle, sorry, the arc, 3 point. It's very easy. 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. You can just click like this, 1 point here. So this is 3 pointer. Next you have option start, center, and end. Start this one, center here, and end here. So it will become like this. See, again we will go start, center, end. So this is like this: start, center, and end. Next option we have, just I will delete this one. Start, center, and angle. Start, center, and angle I want 180. So this is like this. Next, just I will delete this one. Next option we have start, center, and length. Start, I want center this one, and length I want 5000. So this is like this. Next we have, just I will delete this one, start, end, and angle. Start here, end here, and angle I want 45 degree. So this is start here, end here with the 45 degree angle. This is like this. I will delete this one. Next option we have start, end, direction. Start here, end here, or direction where you land, down, up, you can choose like this. I will delete this one. Next we have start, end, radius. Start here and end here, and radius you can select in I want the radius 1000. 1000. So this is like this. Just I will delete this one. Next we have start, center, start, end. Okay, center this one. After that start this one, and I want end here. So this is like this. It center, start, and end. Next option we have center, start, angle. Center, start, and angle I want 350. So this is like this, because as you know that whole circle 360 degree. Next option we have, sorry, we come here wrong track. Center, start, and length. So I was this center, and this is a start, and length I want 5000 or 3000. So it will be like this. Next option we have continue. So we put continue, it will be set from there, continue, and at the last point where you leave it. So it was all only about the arc command. Next chapter we will discuss about rectangle, ellipse or hatch, or any more commands. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any issue, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. See you again.